everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. I know it's been a little over a week since I posted a video. I've really missed you guys. Last week I was a little bit under the weather, and so I didn't get any videos posted, so I'm so happy to be back. I know my voice doesn't sound 100%, but I'm feeling a lot better, so just gotta get my voice there. As long as I'm feeling better though, that's what matters, right? So I hope you're all doing well. Today, I am sharing a Fashom box with you, and I'm so excited to share my box with you. So Fashom is another styling service where it's more on demand, so you just request a box whenever you'd like one, and you do fill out a style profile. And what I like about Fashom is that based on your style profile, a stylist curates a preview. I think it's 7 to 8 items, maybe it's a little bit more, and you choose from those items what you want shipped to you. You can, I think, decline a box. I'm not exactly sure how that works. I have not had to do that yet. I don't think I've had to do that yet, actually. And then the box of 5 items gets shipped to you. You have 3 days to try everything on, and whatever you're not keeping, you send back. You do pay a $15 styling fee with Fashom, but that does get credited to anything in your box that you keep. Fashom also has a new, I want to say like a discount system, which I really appreciate. So if you keep all 5 items, you get 30% off. So that's really awesome. And then I think if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 20 or 25% off. But the details are in the box, so let's go through it. I did cut open my box just to make life a little bit easier for us. We're gonna do a true unboxing today too, though. I'm gonna show you everything because it's been a while, and I'm loving these unboxings. So you do get your card, and inside your card is your invoice. I'll go over the prices as I try everything on. And then what I can't get it out of the envelope. If I could, I would show you what I want to show you because I love that they send you this. Fashom sends you a card, really nicely lays out what to do. So if you're new to the service or if you get a lot of boxes and you just can't remember what to do with this one, this lays it out nicely. So I appreciate that. And then as always, you get your prepaid mailer. So anything you're not keeping goes in here, and shipping is free both ways. And I believe they do offer exchanges if they have sizes available too, so that's really nice. So I kind of remember what was in my bundle. I took everything out of the tissue paper so I could eliminate some of the noise. And then I figured we'll just go through the items and then I'll try everything on. So the first thing that I got in my box, and I picked this because it's so different. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, but I thought let's try it. This is by APNY, and it's kind of this tunic blouse. Each of the sleeves, I don't know, maybe it's not a belt detail. I thought it did, but it's just a V-neck, and it's got a really funky, unique pattern. And I like the colors of it, so it's good for summer. It's very lightweight. I think it's polyester, but I'll have to, when I try it on, I'll go over the material. And then this is, I think it's a cardigan, but it almost looks like a kimono. This is by Chris and Carol. And so the kimono, or the cardigan, is kind of got the bell sleeves, and then they're also a tiered ruffle detail on each sleeve. So that's cute. And I liked the pattern of this with the mustard, but you know, mustard, I try so hard to find the right color mustard for me because I want it to look good on me and it doesn't. So let's see how this one looks, but I might just give up. I don't know. Mustard's probably just not my color. All right, and then there's this blouse by, I think it's Nougat, and this blouse has a button detail down the front. I don't know if you can see them, but they're black buttons, but they're not functional. No, they're not functional. They're just there for the fashion. And then in the back, it's got a keyhole detail. So that's really pretty. And then each sleeve is bell sleeve, and it also has a tie detail here. So that's really fun. I think that's a pretty pattern. I like those colors. And then next, this is by, oh, it's upside down, Kayla, okay. This is by Chris and Carol as well, and it's this teal cardigan. I like the color a lot. I just think this might be a little bit too short for me, but we'll see when we try it on. And then lastly, this is by, oh, Mittoshop, okay. Ooh, I like this. So it's kind of a basic tank top, but I love the coral color. I think that's so pretty. I love that for spring. This might be a good layering piece. So, all right, those are my 5 pieces. Let's go try everything on. Like I said, when I try everything on, I'll go over prices and fabric. I will also leave a list below in the description section of each of the items that I received in case you want to request them for yourself, and the prices too. And then a link if you want to try Fashom for yourself. I did have a couple people use my link, and I truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. It does help me out a lot. All right, let's go try everything on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I have on the Chris and Carol. This is the Draped Front Basic Open Cardigan. It's $37. This is a 95% ring-on and 5% spandex. So I'll back up so you can see it. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I actually think I do. I love the color of this. I don't think I own any cardigans in this color, so I do like it. I think the arm length is great. Perfect, like it hits me at a perfect spot. I don't know, I think I really like it. It's basic, just like the name says. Haven't seen the back yet. Let me show you the back so you can see. I don't know how it's falling on me, but I think it's really pretty. Let me know what you think about this. It's not a bad price either. So, all right, let's try the next top on. Okay, I'm back, and I have on the other Chris and Carol top. This is the knit floral cardigan. It's $46. It's a poly rayon spandex blend. So I'll back up so you can see the whole cardigan. I have mixed feelings about this. So I don't know if it's too long. You know I like my tops to be longer, but this might be too long for me. I do want to show you the colors are really pretty with the pattern. I kept my white tank underneath, or my white tee underneath, because I thought maybe it would look okay with that, but I don't know, maybe white's the wrong color to wear underneath this, or maybe it's just not the colors for me. But then I do want to show you too, each of the sleeves has like a bell tiered sleeve detail, so you could probably see that here. So that's really cute. What do you think? I'm on the fence about this one. I'm not positive. I guess I'll turn around to show you the back. The length is long. So I'm just on the fence. I don't know. Can't decide. All right, you let me know what you think, and I have three more tops to try on, so let's do that. Okay, so this next top is by Akoz. This is a printed top for $35. It's 100% viscose, so I do like the color of this top. I think this color is a great color for me. I wish it was solid, actually, because I don't know how I feel about the pattern of this top. I'll come closer so you can see that and the detail. So it does have the button detail down the front all the way down, but like I said in the intro, these are just like for fashion. These are not functional buttons, which that's okay for me. And then each of the sleeves is really cute. It's a split sleeve, and then I tied them, and it is a bell sleeve detail. So I do think that the sleeve detail is very cute. I think it's a good length. It passes the Kayla length test, so yay, 2 thumbs up for that. And then let me turn around. I'm gonna pull my hair up though so you could see the back, and I want you to see the keyhole detail in the back too. I don't know, I like it. Do you like it? I just don't know about the print. I think that's what's throwing me off. Otherwise, I really like this top. It's very comfortable. The material is great. What do you guys think? Let me know, and I have 2 more tops, so I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and I have on the APNY Aztec Tunic top. It is $56. It is also 100% viscose. I like the neckline. I think it's great. I do love a split neck like this, so that's really fun. I'm not sure how I feel about this top, so totally different than anything I would ever pick out for myself. Good length. Pattern is very unique, so that's fun. Sleeves are just a basic sleeve. It's a 3/4 length sleeve, which I like. I love 3/4 length sleeves, so I don't know. What do you think about this top? This top would also look good with white pants. I probably should have pulled those out for my try-on for this box, because I think it's a great box for that. But here's the back. Coverage is great. What do you think? I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one too. The pattern is just kind of funky for me. Like, I don't own a lot of like pattern stuff. A lot of it is floral or, you know, dotted or striped and things like that. I don't own a lot of kind of abstract patterns, and this is kind of abstract. So it would be different for me. But again, the yellow too, it might be my coloring just doesn't agree with the yellow. But you all have to let me know what you think, and we will do the last top. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my last top, and this is by Mittoshop. This is the bamboo sleeveless pleated back knit top. It is $38, 96% bamboo viscose. Never heard of that before, but this material feels great. And then the other 4% is spandex. Love the neckline, like the tank style. I'll back up. I love the color. I think it's beautiful. I don't know how I feel about the flowiness here. I have mixed feelings about it. I have a lot of pretty necklaces for the spring and summer that would go great with this, so I love that because I could probably dress it up and wear it to work with white pants, or kind of wear it more casually with my Good American jeans. I ended up splurging, so I sent them back. I know, side note, I sent them back in my trunk and I regretted it so much that I went and I ordered them. So, yep, I have some Good American jeans with my distressing. Anyway, so I could do a more casual look with that. I'll turn around so you can see the back. I think it's long. It feels, I haven't seen the back on me, but it feels long. I do like it. I do like the flowiness of it. And it's a great weight for spring and summer. Like, I could see myself getting a lot of use out of it. I just don't know if this is too much material or if it's too flowy. You gotta let me know what you think on this one too. I need help with this box. There's not one thing in this box that I'm like, yep, I know for sure. I need help with everything. So I can't wait to hear your comments. All right, let's do a quick recap. I'm gonna change really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, interesting box, right? I'm definitely gonna need your help because I don't know what to pick. I tried a lot of new different styles in this box that I normally wouldn't have tried or picked up off the shelf in a store or a rack in the store. And that's why I love these boxes, because it forces me to come out of my comfort zone. So I appreciate that, loving it. But I just don't know which styles to incorporate into my wardrobe. So some contenders, I think, one of them might be this. This top was one of the Chris and Carol cardigans. I love the color of this cardigan. I just don't know about the length. I looked in the mirror after, and in the back it looked a little short. I'm gonna watch the video back to see, because it might be a contender for me. I just don't know about the length on this one, but I don't know. And then this next top, I don't think I'm gonna keep. I just think I have to give up my hunt for mustard. I see so many other YouTubers and just people in my life too that can wear mustard, and I love it on them, and it makes me want to try it because I want it to work for me, but mustard just doesn't work for me. So I have to give my hunt for mustard, I think. So I think this is going back. I think it was a little bit too big, and even if I size down, I don't know about the colors for me. And then, oh, I realized I didn't tell you the prices, the whole price of the whole box. We'll do that in a second. And then this top, I don't know. I love the color. Not sure about the pattern of this top for me. I don't know. I like the sleeve detail. Everything else I liked about it, except I just don't know if I'm crazy about the pattern. And that's the same goes for this top. I like the style. I like the cut. I just don't know about the pattern. And then the yellow in this, is this a good yellow for me? I don't know. You guys are gonna have to help me with these. And then lastly, I do like this top. I liked it in the mirror. I'm gonna watch back to see how it looked because I do love this color a lot. I just don't know about the style for me, like the cut of it, the back especially because it was a little bit long, and you know I do love my longer tops. I just have to make sure it's not too long. It doesn't look too oversized. All right, I can't tell you what I'm keeping because I really have no clue right now, and I have 3 days because I just got my box today, so I need your help. Please let me know what you think. Okay, prices. If I kept everything in the entire box, $212, taking off 30% would take off $63.60, bringing it down to $148.40, plus you get to take off that styling fee, which takes off $15, and then my credit, but that comes off in the app. It doesn't list that here, unfortunately, so I think it would be about $130, or maybe $125. I'm really bad at math, so I'm not even going to try to do it. So keeping 3 or 4, I would still get 25% off, so I'm not sure what to do. That's where you guys come in. So please let me know what you would do. I don't know. Should I keep anything? I'm lost. I've never been this lost. And it's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. It's just these new styles. So I like them. I just don't know which ones are working for me and which ones aren't. So that's where I need your help. All right. So that was my fashion box. It was a good box. I really appreciate you taking some time out of your day and spending it with me. It means a lot. And I will see you all really soon in my next video. Until then, have a wonderful day.